Welcome back, everybody. Today we're making old school sweet potato pie. This is a good alternative to pumpkin pie if you don't like pumpkin pie. Let's get into the ingredients. All these ingredients are going to be room temperature. You're going to need 1 pound of sweet potatoes, that's about 2, half cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup packed brown sugar, half cup heavy cream, 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour for thickening, a teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And of course you need the pie shell, which you can make homemade or buy at the store. Start by pureeing your sweet potatoes. I baked mine at 375 in the oven for a couple of hours so that they're nice and soft, and then I scooped out the flesh. I used the whisk attachment because it picks up any chunks or any strings that the sweet potatoes may have. You'll see in the next clip what I mean. You can see those strings that are on the whisk attachment, and you can just rinse those off. Next up, add the butter. Just make sure that it's soft. It doesn't have to be melted. Add the heavy cream, add the brown sugar, scrape down the bowl, and then whisk this mixture again. I whisk mine for at least 2 or 3 minutes, and I keep scraping down the bowl. Next up, add the spices and the vanilla, of course. Continue whisking. Now add the flour and keep scraping and mixing until you think that it's mixed well enough. There will be a few chunks of sweet potatoes in there, can't help that. Check the whisk again. I see more strings, so I'm going to remove those. And now I'm going to mix up the egg wash for the pie shell. This is some heavy cream mixed with an egg. And then I'm going to take out my pie shell, which has been in the freezer, and pour the sweet potato batter into the pie shell. Smooth it out. Make sure it's even all the way across the pie. Smooth out the top. And next I'm going to use the egg wash and brush the pie crust all the way around the edges. Egg wash helps the pie crust brown when it bakes. The next step is optional, but I like to use chopped pecans and put them on top of the pie. They toast really nicely when the pie bakes in the oven. You just press them down a little bit. And the pie's ready to bake. I put it on a sheet pan, bake it in a 375 degree oven for about 50-60 minutes. The pie will puff up kind of like a souffle, and then it jiggles a little when you shake it. Don't take that as a sign that the pie isn't done. You can expect to see it jiggle a little bit. And let the pie cool off, and it's ready to serve. Some people like the pie warm. I like it cold. And these are the little pastry leaves that you can use to decorate the pie. It adds a really nice touch. Here's the finished product. This serves 6 to 8 people, so you might want to bake 2 if you're making these for the holidays. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and have a happy holiday, everybody.